Welcome to a journey into the mind of one of the most successful investors of all time, Charlie Munger. Known as Warren Buffett's right-hand man, Munger's wisdom transcends the boundaries of investing, offering timeless principles for accumulating wealth. Today, we are unveiling the 7 secrets to getting rich, according to Charlie Munger. These aren't just tips, they are foundational elements that have guided Munger's path to success and can illuminate the way for anyone looking to transform their financial future. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets behind building lasting wealth, stay with us as we dive deep into the philosophy of a true financial genius. Understand the multidisciplinary approach to thinking. Charlie Munger's advocacy for a multidisciplinary approach to thinking finds a perfect illustration in the story of Sarah, a small bakery owner whose venture was on the brink of closure. Sarah's initial approach to her business was linear, focused solely on baking without considering other crucial aspects such as customer psychology, market trends, and operational efficiency. This singular focus left her struggling to connect with her customer base and manage her resources effectively. The turning point came when Sarah decided to broaden her perspective, drawing insights from various disciplines. She delved into psychology to understand her customers' purchasing behaviors and preferences, applied principles of economics to optimize her pricing strategy, and embraced concepts from engineering to streamline her bakery's operations. This multidisciplinary approach transformed her business, leading to increased sales, customer satisfaction, and operational efficiency. Sarah's story exemplifies the power of Munger's advice. By stepping beyond the confines of her immediate expertise and integrating knowledge from different fields, she not only saved her bakery but also set it on a path to growth and success. This approach underscores the idea that real-world problems are complex and interconnected, often requiring solutions that draw from a broad spectrum of knowledge. Embracing a multidisciplinary perspective enables individuals to navigate challenges more effectively, innovate, and make informed decisions, ultimately leading to greater success and fulfillment. If you are enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your thoughts. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. The power of patience and compound interest. Embracing the power of patience and the magic of compound interest, Tom embarked on an investment journey that epitomizes Charlie Munger's second secret to wealth. Starting with modest monthly investments in his 20s, Tom chose stocks with strong fundamentals, focusing on the long game rather than immediate gains. Decades later, this approach bore fruit, with his portfolio growing exponentially, a testament to Munger's adage that wealth comes not from trading but from waiting. Tom's experience underscores the transformative potential of compound interest, a force that magnifies the impact of patience and long-term investment. His story vividly illustrates how allowing investments to grow over time, reaping the rewards of interest upon interest, is a cornerstone of building substantial wealth. Tom's journey from a young investor to financial independence showcases that with patience and an understanding of compound interest, the path to riches is not only accessible but inevitable. Avoid that and live within your means. Emily's financial transformation embodies Charlie Munger's crucial advice. Avoid that and live within your means. Once entangled in the web of credit card debt, Emily's story began to change when she adopted Munger's principles. She meticulously analyzed her spending, identifying areas of excess, and made the hard choice to cut non-essential expenses. This discipline allowed her to allocate funds towards paying off her debt and eventually to saving and investing. Emily's journey from debt-ridden to financially savvy showcases the profound impact of living within one's means. Her commitment to avoiding unnecessary debt and making conscious spending choices not only freed her from financial strain, but also set her on a path to accumulating wealth. Through Emily's experience, we learned that financial independence starts with the fundamental principles of frugality and wise money management, affirming Munger's belief in the power of personal fiscal responsibility. Continuously learn and adapt. Mark's journey into the world of investing embodies Charlie Munger's fourth secret, the imperative to continuously learn and adapt. Originally a traditional investor, Mark's curiosity about the burgeoning field of technology led him down a path of self-education. He dedicated evenings to studying blockchain and artificial intelligence, areas far removed from his comfort zone. This commitment to learning transformed Mark from a cautious investor to a visionary one, enabling him to identify and seize early investment opportunities in tech startups. Mark's success story underscores Munger's wisdom that the landscape of opportunity is ever-changing, and only those who evolve their knowledge and adapt their strategies can truly capitalize on it. Mark's willingness to embrace new ideas and venture into uncharted investment territories not only significantly boosted his portfolio, but also exemplifies the power of lifelong learning in achieving financial prosperity. Leverage the Lollapalooza effect. The Lollapalooza effect, a concept championed by Charlie Munger, underscores the exponential power that arises when multiple favorable factors converge in harmony. This principle came to life in the entrepreneurial journey of Anna, who ventured into the green technology sector. Recognizing the burgeoning demand for sustainable solutions, Anna strategically aligned her investments with emerging trends, government incentives for green technology, and the growing consumer consciousness towards environmental sustainability. Her foresight to invest in companies at the forefront of renewable energy and sustainable practices wasn't just a shot in the dark, but a calculated move understanding the Lollapalooza effect. The synergy of technological innovation, policy support, and market demand created a multiplying effect, propelling her investments to remarkable heights. Anna's success story illustrates the profound impact of leveraging multiple positive forces that, when combined, generate outcomes far greater than the sum of the parts. It's a testament to Munger's belief in the power of recognizing and acting upon converging trends, affirming that when elements align favorably, the potential for success is not just addictive but multiplicative, unlocking unparalleled opportunities for growth and prosperity. Master the art of inversion. Jason's real estate investment saga vividly brings to life Charlie Munger's art of inversion, turning the traditional success-seeking approach on its head. Before diving into property investments, Jason meticulously outlined what could potentially lead to failure in the real estate market. This reverse engineering of potential pitfalls enables him to steer clear of common traps such as over-leveraging, ignoring location dynamics, and underestimating maintenance costs. By focusing on what not to do, Jason made judicious choices, selecting properties that offers not just immediate returns but also long-term value appreciation. This strategy, rooted in the principle of inversion, safeguarded his investments against market downturns and speculative bubbles. Jason's journey underscores the profound wisdom in Munger's advice. Sometimes the key to success lies in carefully avoiding paths that lead to failure, illustrating that a well-thought-out strategy of what to avoid can be as important as knowing what to pursue. Harness the power of altruism. Linda's story embodies the essence of Charlie Munger's seventh secret to wealth, harnessing the power of altruism. As a successful tech entrepreneur, Linda's financial achievements allowed her to look beyond personal gain. She channeled her resources into the community, particularly focusing on educational programs and startup incubators. Linda's investments in these areas did more than just foster innovation and learning. It created an ecosystem where businesses could thrive, including her own. The cycle of giving and growth showcased how altruism can lead to a broader impact, enriching the giver and the community. Her story illustrates that true wealth isn't merely measured by personal assets, but by the capacity to effect positive change. Munger's principle of altruism as a pathway to richness is vividly demonstrated through Linda's actions, proving that investing in society can yield returns far greater than financial profit alone, cementing a legacy of impactful generosity. And there you have it, the 7 secrets to getting rich, according to Charlie Munger. From adopting a multidisciplinary approach to thinking and embracing the power of compound interest, living within your means, continuously learning, leveraging converging trends, mastering the art of inversion, and harnessing the power of altruism. Each secret not only offers a roadmap to financial success, but also to a fulfilling and impactful life. Remember, the journey to wealth is as much about the mindset and principles you live by as it is about the financial strategies you employ. Inspired by Munger's wisdom, we are reminded that getting rich is not just an end goal, but a continuous process of growth, learning, and giving back. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.